We are at the Friendship Garden. Andrei is gonna do a small trail with his sister today. It's called Friendship Garden. It's at Kaniohe and it's a nice kid-friendly hike. So that's our daddy. So hopefully we'll have a lot of fun, get some beautiful pictures and nice video for you guys. We are right at the entrance at the garden and we're already loving it. It's so beautiful. Have a little steps where we can sit, take some pictures. I love those little the tree things here. I don't know how you call them. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at those awesome flowers. I'm gonna come a little close and make a video. Hey, we picked some macadamia nuts and we're breaking them.
More.
Here. No, but this
Maya's
is
gonna
broken.
taste it.
Oh, there's half of it, but I think there's nothing in it.
Mama.
Da. You don't like it? Why?
Christina?
Yeah.
Oh, delicious. Can I have one too, Scarlett? Beautiful walk up, guys. Look at this.
You know it's real bells. No.
Alright, we're gonna see how it's gonna go. So far, it's awesome for kids. We're loving it. I love the view. Okay, guys ahead of us, they're pretty fast. And we're gonna try to catch up to them. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I love this view. Alright, Scarlett.
Hold Maya's hands. Good job, guys. Rest stop.
Snake plant. Yeah, the boys are going crazy over there, but look at the view. Woo, we're gonna see this view in a minute. Made it to a beautiful viewpoint at this hike, Friendship
Okay,
Garden.
boys, you can go through that trail and come back.
You guys want to eat?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll eat in a little bit. Look, Mama's gonna make you.
Gonna have a food break. Kids are hungry.
For lizards and come back, okay?
No, don't send them there on that. Don't go down,
Hi
guys.
guys! Was it fun?
Yeah.
Did you like the hike?
Yes, but tiring.
Andrei, how about
Andrei, did you
you?
like the hike?
Yeah.
Shakas? Shakas for everybody?
You gonna have a nice snack?
Yes. Shaka. Look at Sashi Shaka. Oh, Shaka.
Bobby, easy, so hold on to the rope. Yeah. So we got to a fairly steep side over here, sliding. The boys are not that used to it. So just, yeah, hold on to the rope and slowly go. You see, Andrei, how Bobby does it? Just like that. Easy does it. Okay, slowly, slowly. Good job. There you go. Oh my God, you guys are too funny. All lefts, all lefts. Okay, gonna make it. Oh, you guys gonna make it. Oh, Bobby made it to the rope. Easy, Bobby, easy. Okay, good job. Right, I think we got to the top. You guys can see this nice red soil that they have right on the top. Oh, Bobby, you did a good one. Are you all right there? You gotta be careful. You slide so easily, huh? Easy does it. Make sure your footsies are nice and planted. Okay, good job, guys. Let's go. Keep doing that.
We're on the top.
Woo! We're at the top. Let's go. At the top, at the top.
Magical bullets.
Okay,
At the end of
okay.
the
Let's see. Let me see you. Let me see you. We're at the top, Papa. Woo! Okay, Andrei. Water? Okay, let's get some water break. All right, we got to the top. Guys, let's say Ura, we made it to the top. Ura! And now we're gonna go. Now we're gonna end up having to go back.
Oh my gosh!
What did you see, Bobby? What did you...
Dragonfly, look!
Oh yeah, dragonflies. It's okay. They're not gonna hurt you guys.
Whoa, it's a cool dragonfly. I just go. Get down.
Andrei, you guys ready? So wait, I'm gonna go first. It's gonna be pretty rough going back down, as you can see. So I'm gonna go first. You guys are ready? So these guys didn't want to let me go first. So they're all sliding down on their ass pretty much going down. I think we're not gonna have clothes at the end of this one. Alright. So hold the rope coming down. Yeah. Okay. You guys can walk. You don't have to go sliding, but you can do that too. You can walk, guys. You don't have to slide. Oh yeah, the boys really like this. They don't really have to go like butt crawling, but you see, but they really enjoy it. Oh, let me see. Let me see. You have holes in your pants? Where are those holes in the pants? Oh no, no more holes. The mouse gonna get you. All right. I think that's a nice, huge banyan tree over there. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Whoa. Scarlett, you wanna go too? Look what the boys got. Let's see this banyan tree. Whoa, that is a super cool banyan tree. All right. Let's see, Scarlett. Let's see what the boys are doing. There you go. Are they gonna make it? Yeah, they will be making it. Okay, girls, you guys are just chilling. Scarlett, you have this super cool flower. Yeah.
This flower that has
Good
another
job.
flower inside.
And we got another flower right there. All right. End of the trail, and we got like a super cool surprise. All right, look at those guys. We're probably not gonna take them, yeah?
Yeah, we are.
You guys want to take one of them?
Yeah, I broke it.
It's gonna be hard to take. Okay, let's check this view that is over here. Oh yeah, beautiful views. And success. But boys, let me see how big.
I'm gonna cut this one open and eat it.
You're gonna cut and eat it? Good job. End of the day, success. Woo!